Hi, my name is Ala and we lived here since 2008. Our fascias and soffits, they started to look poorly, so we decided to change them. And we went to Pilkington Plastics and we found this wonderful man called James. And he replaced all of our fascias and soffits and he did an amazing job. So a friend of my husband recommended Pilkington Plastics. So we went to see them and we had amazing consultations and everything. Everything was clear and to the point, and the advice they gave us was amazing, really. So we have black ash. Initially we wanted to go for white, but James said, why don't you try black ash? And I'm so glad we went for black ash because it looks amazing and it just blends with everything, and eventually we will have black gates as well, gates painted black, so it will really match the color. So we're very pleased with his advice. Do you know, I think if I had the chance and if these guys were doing some other jobs, I would just go to them because they're very professional. James, as rich, he's got a lovely team of guys. They're very professional. They've done, as you can see, the job is fantastic. Very happy. I would recommend Pilkington Plastics and Freefoam to anyone, really. Brilliant.